Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Jagerbomb Slush. Many of you at home wondering what to do with Jaeger. Okay, well, here you go. Okay, so we start off with some energy drinks. Don't have to be Red Bull, okay, but this is what you think of when you think of energy drinks. You know, people use Red Bull just like they use Google. Let me Google it. Give me a Red Bull, and then you hand them a Monster. Red Bull's piss, but people know what you mean. Okay, so we put that in the freezer to harden, break it out, stick it in the ice, stick it in our blender. All right, now we come behind with a bit of jägermeister. I remember I was with my German friend, Danny, dude, and I was like, so what's your favorite liquor? Jäger. The way she said it with a German accent, man, that was incredible. Okay, blend, and scary, because German is kind of a harsh language, you know? Guten Morgen, hast du schnell, you know? I'm like, damn. Okay, anyway, so we pour our mix. Germans listening go, no, German, it's a language of love, okay? Stick a straw in there. Jagerbomb Slush, good to go.